gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I am doing a hair review. This hair is from Wowafrican. That is a card that came with the hair, all the instructions about the hair, how you can care for the hair is written on that card. A cap wig, and that is the wig. So let's talk about this wig. This wig is 13 by 6 in thick density deep wave lace front human version wig, HW05. You can see it's front lace wig and the knots are already bleached. By the way, this video is sponsored by Wowafrican. The wig came with adjustable strap with their logo on it. It came with some combs also and an adjustable strap. The construction of the wig you can see from inside. The link to this wig will be on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And also when you use the code Chelsea15, you're going to get $15 off your purchase, which is a good day. So when you purchase any wig in their website, you use the code Chelsea15, you're going to get $15 off your purchase. Not just this wig, all the wigs in their website when you use that code Chelsea15. Something about this 13 by 6 lace wig is that it is 6 in deep, can part everywhere when side parting the wig. The 13 by 6 lace wig can part longer than normal 6 in lace wig. The knots are bleached. Bleaching can make knots undetectable and very natural looking. The lace is invisible Swiss lace. This invisible Swiss lace is more transparent than the previous brand color. With the invisible Swiss lace, you will find the lace wig is as natural as your own scalp. The density of the wig is 150 density, thicker density wig compared to normal lace wig because the lace pattern is bigger. 13 by 6 lace wig is fuller and feel thicker. The short hair is less than normal lace wig. The hair is already pre-plucked, hairlines. The hair type is 100% India version 13 by 6 lace front wig. The style of the wig is deep waves. The length of the hair is 18 inches while the color is natural black. The cap size is 13 by 6 lace front wig cap. Hairline, pre-plucked hairlines, 150 density. Cap size is average. Lace color invisible Swiss lace brown. Now I'm about to trim the lace. First thing you do, you have to hold your hair down. Then you measure from your ear to ear, starting from the beginning of your ear. As I'm touching it, you can see. You just have to cut from there. So if you know you cannot cut it while the wig is on your head, you just have to mark it, then remove it from your head, cut it before you lay the wig. Because you don't want to cut away hair, so you just have to share it, put a pattern straight, then cut it to the end of your ears, if that makes sense.
Till the morning light for you turn away.
See me doing it like this, it looks easy, but it's not as easy as you see it. This is very, very delicate. When you're doing it, you have to be careful so that you don't cut yourself.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that
so because I want it to size to my ear side, you see that it's not as long enough, so I'm still going to cut it, then remove the excess lace. You might cut some hair away, which is normal, because you want it to look as natural as possible. So to make it easy, you just have to cut some half portion so that it will be easier for you to cut out the excess lace. I do this in all my videos. I just want to put more light on how I cut the excess lace from my wig. You must make sure you cut as closer as possible to your hairlines, so that by the time you lay your wig, they don't see the excess lace overlapping your forehead. Something like that. I don't know if that makes sense.
Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel.
The day I did this, I found it difficult. I really found some difficulties cutting off this excess lace. I don't know, maybe because I focus on to show you guys how I do this. That was why I struggled. I can't tell.
Said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
So you can see that the lace is out. Yeah, I did the other side off camera, but it's the same thing that I did to the side. You saw the same thing you do to the other side as well. So after cutting the excess lace, it's now time for you to glue your wig down. It all depends on what you want. I use styling gel. You can use hair glue, you can use styling gel, you can use whatever that pleases you. I decided to use styling gel because I found out that the glue damaged my edges. I have said that several times.
Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me?
I had to care for the hair. You can wash your hair. It is important to co-wash the hair before you install to reduce tangling. Blow dry and don't let it air dry.
Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light.
Use white teeth combs after you wash hair. Try using a white teeth comb or use your finger rather than a brush.
Said I miss you.
You need to deep condition the hair when you wash. Choose a shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you fall?
So after gluing the hair down, I tied it down for some time. You can leave it for like 5 minutes.
We could do this right.
I want to make it clear that if you don't want to use a styling gel, if you want to leave your hair longer for days, you can use a hair glue, which is more preferable because this styling gel will only last you a day.
Away before.
Don't forget, with the code Chelsea15, you're going to get $15 off your purchase in any wig that you will buy from their website, Wowafrican. You're going to get $15 off your purchase.
Just listen, I miss you, and I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know.
After everything, I use a bronzer, color of my skin tone, to blend all the imperfection you've seen so that the wig can really blend with my skin. The scalp of the wig, you can see the center and my skin is the same thing. I use this Chili Hansen airbrush legs medium glue on the lace as well. This is just for it to look more natural.
Do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning?
I use a wax stick on the hair to lay down all the flying hair and to flatten the hair the more. So that's basically all I did to this hair. You can see that the hair is so gorgeous. The coils are bouncing. Although they advise you use a wide comb to comb this hair. I use a tiny comb, which is not advisable, and I also use a brush on it. Please, when you buy this hair, if you want to comb it, use a wide teeth comb to comb your hair. So that is basically it. I will leave all the information about the hair on the description box. If you are interested, you can check that out. And also, if you haven't subscribed, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. I'm going to leave all the information about the hair on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. And also, don't forget, when you use the code Chelsea15, you're going to get $15 off your purchase. In any wig you're going to order from their website, Wow Africa, you're going to get $15 off your purchase. So that is it. I'm going to leave you guys to watch to the end, and I will see you guys very soon. You can see that the hair looks so natural. Look at the edges, it's looking so gorgeous. We are young, we are free. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.